Hello children, welcome back to my channel Studies Forever. Today let us study about the lesson Purandara Dasa Part 1, a school trip to Hampi. See here, there is a school trip to Hampi there. Purandara Dasa Part 1. See, this is the picture. It is given here about Hampi. Hampi, you know children, in Hampi where it is located? It is located in Karnataka. Karnataka where? It was in the Ballari district. Now recently it is in the Vijayanagara district near Hosapete. Okay, let us see here. What is the trip about that? Here there are the two characters in this lesson, Suraj and Mohan. See, Suraj, Mohan, not two characters, more characters. The students are here. Suraj, Mohan, Anand, George, so many are there. Let us see what they will discuss when they went to the trip there. Suraj, Mohan, have you taken permission from your parents to go to the school trip? Mohan, my parents were happy about the place, so they were more than happy to send me. How about you, Anand? See, Suraj is asking the question here. Mohan, have you taken the permission from your parents to go for the school trip? Mohan says, yes, my parents were happy. My parents are very happy to send me to the place. And how about you, Anand? He is asking about one more friend, Anand. For one more friend he is asking, Anand. Anand, same here. My sister told me that even in the destroyed condition, Hampi speaks highly of King Krishnadeva. See who ruled over this kingdom? The Hampi is ruled over by Krishnadeva. See, Krishnadeva, King Krishnadeva. So in the destroyed condition means nowadays many monuments, many history is destroyed. In this condition also, Hampi speaks highly about, means speaks about the kingdom of the Vijayanagara kingdom. So next, George. The Vijayanagara Empire was founded by Hakka Bukka. See who founded the Vijayanagara Empire? Hakka and Bukka. I read it on the internet. It is situated on the banks of the river Tungabhadra. Yes, it is situated on the bank of the rivers Tungabhadra. Who founded the Vijayanagara Empire? Hakka Bukka, and situated near the bank of river Tungabhadra. Suraj, we were still thinking of getting permission and you have already collected some information. What more have you read? See here what the Suraj says here. We are still thinking of getting permission from the parents to come for the trip, but you have collected some of the information. You have collected more information about the Vijayanagara kingdom. So what more have you read? Still what you know about this? Tell me. Suraj is asking friends. Let us see what he has read. George. One more thing that I understood. See, George is explaining here. One more thing I have understood that there is a stone chariot. See, there is a stone chariot and there is also a Vitala temple that has special type of pillars. See, there is a stone chariot there. And Vitala temple. See, there is stone chariot and the Vitala temple that has special type of pillars. See children, have you know about the Hampi that you have already went to the Hampi here. See, though the people who lives near the Hampi, once they have visited the Hampi, they know about this. Okay, here is also the Vitala temple that has special type of pillars. See, have you see here in this picture? There are special types of pillars. When that has special type of pillars, when struck, they give out 7 musical notes. See, when you just struck them, means when you just touches them, it gives the 7 musical notes. You will learn more when you come to the class. See what he says. We'll learn about this more when we go to that place and when the teacher explains us. Next, Mohan. All right, Mr. Noval. We will meet next Friday then. See what the Mohan says. Okay, all right, Mr. Noval means here you know everything, no? So know all. So he is saying you know everything. So Mr. Know all. We will meet next Friday then. See next Friday that what? Next Friday the trip is there, so we'll meet on that day. Bye everybody, he says. Bye everybody. Suraj and Mohan have gone far away from their group. See already the Suraj and Mohan, they went away by waving them, saying bye, they went away. They have all come to Hampi with their teachers. See, they all come to the Hampi with their teachers because Suraj and Mohan is not going to the trip. So they said that we'll meet you next Friday. So they went away and all they have come to Hampi with their teachers. Suraj. So what they have? They went away from there by saying we'll meet next Friday and they all came to the trip there. Suraj. Mohan, look at the old building near the river. See there, old building, have you seen? Mohan, look at it. Look at it. It is near the river. Old building. Old building near the river. Mohan. Shall we go and see what it is? Okay, we too will go and see what it is. Mohan says. Then here you see, here the old building, can you see here? So what the Mohan and Suraj is saying, we go and see that old building. Suraj, sure, it looks like a mantapa. See, just it looks like a mantapa. And both of them entered the mantapa. See, both of them visited the mantapa there. Suraj, look, there is a statue of man. See, one statue of man is there. Here you can see in this picture there is a statue of man with a tambura holding here. See, tambura is holding there. See, can you see this? Tambura is holding. And in his hand, Mohan. And a pair of cymbals. Cymbals means it's a musical instruments used for. I'll show you. Here it is. Cymbals means the musical instrument or the plates of brass with produce ringing sound. Here it is cymbals. Okay. Then he is Purandara Dasa. Who is he? He is a Purandara Dasa. See, there is a statue of man with the tambura in his hand. Who is he? He is a Purandara Dasa. Suraj. He is a devotee of Lord Vishnu. See, he is a devotee of Lord Vishnu. Devotee means, here devotee means a person who worship God. See, the Purandara Dasa worship Lord Vishnu. He composed devotional song and sang in praise of him. He composed devotional song. Composed means who writes and just writer of songs and music. Okay. Then he sang many in praise of Lord Vishnu. Mohan. What simplicity in his looks. See, some simplicity it looks in his. Can you believe it? See, is he, how much simple he is. Can we believe that he is a poet, that he has composed many devotional songs? He is a musician. He is a composer. Can we see that? Can we believe it? No. So he was a rich man before. See, he was a rich man before. He became the devotee of the Lord. See how simple he is. What a simplicity we can see here. Suraj, can you please tell me his story? See, Suraj is asking for Mohan. Can you please tell me his story? Mohan, I don't know the details. See, I don't know about the details. We will go to our teacher. Come, we'll go to our teacher. She will tell us the story. She will tell the story. Suraj. Yes, it will be fun. It will be a fun. She is sitting there with the other. Shall we go? Yes, come on, let we go. The teacher is sitting with the fun. And teacher is, it will be a fun to ask a question for the teacher. teacher is sitting with others. Come, let us go. Mohan, come, let's go. See here Suraj and Mohan, they went to the teachers. See children, here in this trip, Suraj, Mohan and George and one more student, who was he? That Anand, they have learnt something, the what importance of Hampi and what are the statues there and what is the importance of that and who founded the Vijayanagara Empire and who is the king of the Vijayanagara Empire. So children, I hope you have understood this lesson.